Bro, look at this Firebird, bro. Crazy. That is crazy. Crazy. How you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. I'm Chuck with Chuck's Vet Adventures. That is cool, man. I saw it this morning.
That's nice.
Yeah. Yeah. How you guys doing today?
Great.
You like doing this?
Absolutely.
Right on. Right on. That's a way to get a Firebird off grid, huh? We don't like trucks like this, do we? Yeah. Guys, this is Overland Expo, man. They are great down here, man. Me and him stood by about 10 minutes. We're sitting here talking about everything.
Hell yeah.
So get down here and see us.
Thanks, man.
All right, on. Send it, guys. Send it. Bro, check out this old Ford. Check out that old Ford, baby. Bro, check out this pull-behind camper. Oh, man, it's a Jeep. Heck yeah. Check this out, guys. That's wild. This come off a TJ or a...
Half LJ and half YJ.
Oh, yeah? Look, guys, this looks like a sluice box for my gold.
That's a first. Okay, I do like that. That was good. That was good. I like that.
Guys, they got everything. You want a GoPro? They got GoPros down here. You want anything for your rigs, man? They got them down here at the... You know, they do other Overland Expos across the country, too. So, look them up. See if you're near one. And go check it out. Guys, check this out. Wildland Firefighter Foundation. That is an awesome rig, bro. Heck yeah. Right, Cyber1 Truck 01 guys.com.
All right, thank you so much.
Hey, no problem, man. We'll see you on there. Viking Overland, guys. They're sitting out here away from everybody. They're like off grid out here at the expo. How you doing, man?
How you doing?
I'll get you on. I'll get you online.